Are you looking for an easy way to migrate your OST files to an IMAP email account? In this video, I will show you how to use the Vmail OST to IMAP converter by Vmail software step by step. This software helps you transfer emails, contacts, calendars, and other mailbox data from OST files directly to any IMAP-supported email service. First, download and install the software on your computer. After installation, launch the program by double-clicking the software icon. This is the main interface of the software. To begin, click on the Add Outlook Files option and select the OST file you want to migrate. Once selected, click Open, and then click Next. The software will scan and load all folders and mailbox data from your OST file. Now you can preview emails, folders, and other items before migration. This helps you ensure that all data is properly loaded. To start the migration process, choose the Export or Import to IMAP option. Enter your IMAP account details, including email address, password, IMAP server name, and port number. Then click on Login to connect your account. After successful login, select the folders you want to migrate. You can choose the entire mailbox or only specific folders according to your needs. Now click on the Import Now button. The software will begin transferring your OST data directly to your IMAP account. Within a few moments, the migration process will complete, and all emails will appear in your IMAP mailbox. As you can see, the software makes OST to IMAP migration simple, safe, and fast without any data loss. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more migration tutorials. Thanks for watching.